In this video, we will show how to set up knowledge sources for Copilot. Don't forget to leave like and comment below. First, go to the Customer Service Admin Center. Then navigate to the Productivity tab and select Manage on the Copilot help pane. Ensure the help pane is enabled for chat and email. Knowledge articles and integrated search providers are included by default. Pro tip: Copilot crawls 2 levels deep, so pick specific pages. Now bonus, let's see Copilot in action. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below.